Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to ZTE Axon 20. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices and install free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Then close it by choosing OK. Following that, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and receive next to Send at the bottom of ZTE. Also on ZTE, click on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to an Android. Finally, you can tap on all of those categories at the top and in them choose those type of dots to select all of your files from this category. You can also just click on the chosen ones. In my case, this one photo. Now hit Send next to Selected, so miss click. Tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. If you want to scan this QR code, you need to select this scanning icon next to Input key on ZTE. Then allow camera access in the pop-up. Lastly, point your device's camera at the code. If you want to input this key though, you need to click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers from an Android correctly. Then hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!